Hi, my name is Kaimat Hassan, and my teammate name is Sai Teja. In this is first assignment of software testing. We have chosen Collaborate topic. First of all, we have to know what is Collaborate. Collaborate is a data-driven model-based application for testing while recording Collaborate process and set the test set cases, input values and parameters that user typed in the application. Next, we have to know what is Collaborate. These are the Collaborate homepage. These are the Collaborate website and this is the homepage of the Collaborate. How we are in reinventing test automation. Ensuring quality is never compromised testing. Ensuring quality is never compromised with user-friendly automation solutions and manual testing accelerator. Documentation with portable create learning relevant business process documentation is fast and simple yet easy to maintain. Next we go to learning. Creative interactive training, screen simulation, business data and team conservations ensure new user hit the ground running. Next we go to customize your reporting dashboard. Collaborate dashboards. Collaborate dashboards and analytics provides an overview of your project health in real life. Create custom reports, charts, and team series graphs based on any project assets. Next, report or defects, flows, execution trends, test logs, test preparation, test execution. Drag and drop allows you to visualize your dashboards your ways. Build a knowledge base for testing, documentation, and training. We have to prepare a build a knowledge base for testing, training, and documentation. Collaborate allows you to easily record the transaction within your application, generating a digital representation of how your application works. This will be your knowledge base for executing the flow manually, automatically, or for training purpose. A unique source of truth for your application that will ensure that your deliverable are always up to date and it will deliver up to date and sync completed. Using recording widget to capture the it will use record widget to capture the business process. For every step in your application, automatically create process documentation, including data and technical. It will create automatically the create process to documentation, including technical and information. Add notes, verification, and store parameters. Organize your business process efficiently. It will organize your business process efficiently. Collaborate is built on principle. It will build on the principal flows and scenarios. You can think of them like building blocks. With Collaborate, you record a flow like creating a quotation or sales order. Then you join flows together in a sequence that represents a scenario like order to cash or procure to pay. This model approach makes it easy to maintain and it will build easy to maintain end-to-end scenario. All the recordings can be used as building blocks to an it will store as building blocks of all the recordings end-to-end scenario. One scenario is built, all changes made to a single flow are applied to the scenario. In that way, test cases are highly reusable and easy maintainable. Lee average on the ability to maintain your test data. Collaborate is a data-driven based application for testing while recording Collaborate processes a test data set with all input values and parameters that user typed in the application. You can easily extend your test coverage by creating multiple data sets. Create operations and loops. Use JavaScript functions to generate dynamic values. Import and export data sets in Excel for bulk edits. Accelerate user acceptance testing. Collaborate allows you to shorten UAT by providing automation and assistance where users need it most. Collaborate also provides user clear screenshots, steps and data, even automate steps performed in the application. Your team navigate through UAT in no time. Do it for me. Performance the step automatically for the user. Show the highlight element in the screen where the user has to perform the action. Detailed recording and execution logs provide a full audit trail useful for compliments. Always ready to automation. Collaborate allows you to record a process, create a digital document that capture all the steps and screenshot performed in the application. create interactive training to onboard new users. The digital document produced during the recording once again your base for training simulations. The new user can learn the new application works interactively with screen simulators. Highlight some suggestions. Integration. We need to integrate all that. Next we have what is called all your team needs in one place. Enable your team to keep business process, document, testing, planning, and delivery always in sync. Collaborate is a three-in-one cloud system that transfers the waste teams, test, document, and train end users. Simply by design, it will in simple design. We offer a friendly and simple rough surface packed with simple powerful features to solve the most complex software testing challenges. Powerful reporting track everything from test progress, test execution, detects life cycle process, documentations, and learning achievements all in one place. It is a unique cloud computing platform, cloud testing platform. It will integrate ready to make call. Collaborative, we believe in simple solutions. Our mission is enabled to agile teams on streamlining the whole of a software delivery to produce collaborate modern approach transforms the way teams test, documentation, and train users. It will have four product solutions about us, discover, and whenever we have to doubt, we will watch demo in product. We have collaborate product, we already seen, we have pricing, and we have ROI calculator. ROI calculator, which is nothing but what we have saved through collaborate. It will help us to know. It will, with the help of ROI calculator, we can calculate. Next, we have pricing. Pricing is nothing but our base subscription model offers flexibility, allows you to optimize the cost associated with our project. Simply activate your users and you are set to go. If you want to know how much you can save with Collaborate, we can calculate with ROI calculator. Next, we have in product starter, enterprise, custom. These are the types and flexible subscription model. And next we have solutions which will explain by Sadhya. And we have to, when we want to know about collaborate, we have to go to about us, which will give full information about collaborate. And next we have discover what collaborate discovered success stories, events, blog, help center. Whenever we have a question or a doubt, we have to go help center. It will help us to solve our problem. And whenever we have a doubt, we will watch demo. If it's about collaborate, and next my friends I will explain.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Now I am going to say about how Collaborate works in software testing. Okay. Now then first we are going to say about how Collaborate works in software testing. This is the overview of the Collaborate. Then now I am going to say about what is Collaborate. Collaborate is 20 years of consulting experience on QA and testing, application lifecycle management, and DevOps the disciplines. Internationally recognized as a specialized SAP, quality assurance. Collaborate is the result of productized years of knowledge and experience in the field. Here now we are coming to the start. Create more project values with less effort. Means with this Collaborate we can create more projects with the using of less efforts. Means here effort will be less and the more creating the project, the size will be the more. Then coming to our vision, empower teams with the right tools. Means here we need to empower the teams with the right tools. Next, what is our main motto of Collaborate mission? Streamline the software delivery. Means delivering some codings and all. Why did we start Collaborate? Collaborate was born out of an idea to create more project value with less effort. Collaborate brought because of to create more project, means to give a value of the project more, but using the less efforts. This is the main motto of this. And then coming to traditional approaches to documenting, training and testing seem to the cumbersome, involve several different tools overhead of the project. Innovation at the speed of change. Next, coming to innovation, how the speed of changes goes on. We want to empower the individual teams and organizations with the right automation. Then technologies and tools to keep up the high spread of digital transformation. Then our mission, what is the main mission of this Collaborate? Then at Collaborate we believe in simple yet robust solutions to enable agile teams on streamlining the road of the software development to production. Collaborate modern approach transforms the way team test, documentation and train end users. Company timeline, from a consultant company to a product company, means how this works in the companies, consultant company to a product company, all stored in our nutshell. Then coming to our this graph, in 2009 parent company founded, and next coming to after 3 to 4 years 2013 started development Collaborate. This is the life cycle of how Collaborate changed from 2009 to 2020. Into 2020, 2016 official Collaborate cloud launched. Then 2019 Collaborate 3.0 launch, means year by year the new Collaborate systems is going to launch, like the update, how we get the update in the app, so in that way it's going to happen. Then coming to today, developing test management capabilities 2012. In 2012 it was a partner of the year award from SAP. Then coming to 2015, beta released to selected customers, then 16-17 gap was there. Again coming to 2019, developed our partner portfolio worldwide. 2020, this is our team, our partners, and Collaborate partners are Neptune Software, Sogeti, Parasoft, Attenity, Imperius, DX. These are our offices. Its office in Ramonia, and then coming to Netherlands, then coming to Monterrey, Mexico. Collaborate. At Collaborate we believe in simple solutions, means we need to believe here in simple solutions, not a complex solutions, because in complex solutions we are going to get nothing, but simple comes under smart work, it's better to choose. Then teams on streamlining the road of software delivery to production. Collaborate modern approaches transforms the way team test, document and train end users. Okay, about the introduction of Collaborate has completed, and here we have the product and solutions. Product is going to explain by my another teammate, then I am going to explain about the solutions. In solutions, first solution is SAP test data management. Okay, coming to SAP test data management, managing test data on SAP environments at high speed and reduces risk. So SAP environments, we will be managing this in a high speed and which reduces the risk. Okay, test data management here comes under challenge. This challenge means depends on data for SAP environments. Next comes to solution. In solution, click and Collaborate SAP test data management solutions. Use cases. After solutions, then we move on to use cases. In use cases, incident fixes, GDPR test data on demand. Next coming to discover more. Solutions, brief articles, success stories. Then overview of it. Providing teams with environments that have compliant and relevant data. Okay, providing teams with environments that have complicate. It means that it uses the relevant data less. And then when come to our applications can be validated with production. With productions we can validate the applications. Okay, then coming to quality data will be provided in this, and the chances of failures in deployment means chances of failures are less and winning options are more. Then fully automated testing is critical for delivering at high speed. Yes, it's obviously correct. Fully automated testing is critical only. If we give the half automated testing or less automated testing, it will be very less. And adopting modern developing paradigms such as develops and all, it will be. Then we come to our challenges. Being able to introduce changes in SAP landscapes has a high dependency on the quality. Means as we change in SAP landscapes, it complicates to the less system in SAP terms, master data. Okay, then now we come to companies. Companies face constant challenges in having up the data. Plus, the cost of setting up database for testing is prohibitive and time consuming. Okay, companies need to have relevant, valid data. Means here, companies should have the relevant and valid data and can be copied quickly and effectively across a variety of platforms. Variety of platforms is having the different types of uses, like different platforms, not the same, but many. On top of that, they demand to be able to immediately mask or scramble critical and confidential data to ensure all privacy laws are being met. So, coming to this structure, first structure will be the sandbox, the next layer will be the QA, third layer will be the training, and fourth layer will be the development. 4 layers we have. Okay, we will see one by one. Solution. Click and Collaborate provides team with environments that have competent and relevant. Okay, this becomes a production, QA, automated data templates. This ensures that critical changes to your applications. Our integrated solution helps organization to deploy fully tested. Integrated solutions, what does means, helps organizations to deploy fully tested, fully document SAP. Okay. Then we comes to use cases. Here use cases, real scenario where our solution can help. Production incident fixes. Here also we can, means 3 scenarios we have where the real scenarios can help. Production incident fixes. We will be learning one by one after this deep explanation. Okay, then the demand test data management and GDPR compliance. Okay, coming to production incident fixes. Fixing a defect in production can cost up to 30x times more than if found. Means fixing a defect in production can cost many 30 times of it found and fixed earlier. Integrated solution offers customers the ability to provision a test environment. Okay. Next, coming to developers, can they quickly reproduce the issues? Means who are the developers? They can quickly reproduce the issues, implement a fix, test it, and reproduce it. Okay. Then coming to on-demand test data management, simply completed. More 3 to 4 minutes will be the remaining. In non-product systems like test and deployment environments, data creation and deletion often out of control. This means on-demand test data management, it will be out of control. Okay, then we go to GDPR compliance. GDPR, managing production data is risky business. Yes, everyone knows that the managing production data will be very risky business when compared to the less productions. Around protecting sensitive data from this. Collaborate and Attunity Gold client offer capabilities. What they do, they offer some capabilities and scramble techniques. These are the risk or nightmare before you go connect, read the solution brief, and then next we go for next solution, second solution. What is the second solution? In this, we go for DevOps for SAP. Okay, bringing the world of DevOps to SAP applications, the DXC Collaborate Joint Solutions. DevOps for SAP